it's exam time at school and your child is tense, shaky and suddenly having a stomachache. This kind of anxiety also increases mistakes, reduces reasoning and working memory. It creates confusion and lowers the scores. Fortunately, there are ways that you can use to help your child feel relaxed and confident when facing the exams. Hi, my name is Sabiha and I am a child development trainer at Little Leap. And today, I'm gonna tell you how you can help your child cope with exam stress and face it with full confidence. So let's start. Number 1. Change the exam perspective. Encourage your child to do their best. Tell them that they are loved and valued irrespective of their exam scores. Tell them that this exam will make them ready for the future and to be better individuals. Number 2. Help them practice. Ask your child why are they anxious. Consider doing practice exercises and worksheets to prepare them for the real thing.